Welcome another daily science video of Ames Lab, AI Mission for Scientific Knowledge. Have you ever wondered about the invisible force that fires up your backyard barbecue or fuels the stovetop that cooks your meals? It's a substance called propane, a gas that has quietly revolutionized our lives since its discovery in 1910. Dr. Walter O. Snelling, an American chemist, stumbled upon this remarkable fuel while investigating gasoline vapors. Little did he know that his discovery would unleash a powerful energy source with far-reaching applications. Before Snelling's breakthrough, propane was considered an unwanted byproduct of gasoline production. It was often simply burned off as waste. Snelling, however, saw potential in this overlooked gas. He recognized its flammability and realized its potential as a fuel source. His discovery marked a turning point, paving the way for propane's journey from an industrial afterthought to a ubiquitous energy source. Snelling's pioneering work laid the foundation for the propane industry we know today. His initial experiments sparked a wave of innovation, leading to the development of safe and efficient methods for propane production, storage, and transportation. Today, propane's versatility and portability have made it an indispensable energy source across the globe. Propane, in its purest form, is a colorless and odorless gas. It is a hydrocarbon, meaning it is composed of the elements carbon and hydrogen. Its chemical formula, C3H8, reveals its simple yet elegant structure: 3 carbon atoms linked together, each bonded to hydrogen atoms. This simple arrangement of atoms gives propane its unique characteristics. One of propane's key properties is its high energy density. It packs a powerful punch in a small volume, making it an efficient fuel source. In its natural state, propane exists as a gas. However, it can be easily compressed into a liquid, making it convenient to store and transport. This ability to transition between gaseous and liquid states is what makes propane so versatile. When compressed to a liquid, propane's volume shrinks dramatically, making it easier to handle and transport. When released from its pressurized container, it instantly reverts to its gaseous state, ready to be burned as fuel. Propane is a naturally occurring gas, but it is not found in isolation. It exists alongside other hydrocarbons, primarily natural gas and crude oil. Extracting propane from these sources requires sophisticated processing techniques. The journey from its raw form to your backyard grill involves a fascinating series of steps. The most common method of propane production is natural gas processing. Natural gas, primarily composed of methane, often contains propane as a valuable component. Through a process called fractionation, propane is separated from natural gas at processing plants. This technique relies on the different boiling points of the gases, allowing propane to be isolated and collected. Another significant source of propane is petroleum refining. Crude oil, a complex mixture of hydrocarbons, undergoes a refining process to separate it into usable products like gasoline, diesel, and kerosene. Propane is a byproduct of this refining process, further highlighting its versatility as an energy source. Propane's ability to exist as a liquid under pressure is key to its safe and efficient storage and transportation. It is typically stored in pressurized tanks, ranging in size from small portable cylinders for backyard grills to massive stationary tanks for industrial applications. These tanks are specifically designed to withstand the pressure of liquefied propane, ensuring safety during storage and transport. Transporting propane requires specialized vehicles and stringent safety protocols. Tanker trucks, equipped with pressure relief valves and other safety features, carry propane from production facilities to distribution centers and end users. These trucks undergo regular inspections and maintenance to prevent leaks and ensure safe transportation. Safety is paramount throughout the entire propane supply chain. Propane is naturally odorless, so a pungent odorant called ethanethiol is added to detect leaks easily. This distinctive rotten egg smell serves as an immediate warning signal, alerting people to the presence of escaped propane. Propane in action, powering our homes, industries, and more. Propane's versatility has earned it a place in a wide range of applications. From powering our homes to fueling our vehicles, propane plays a vital role in our daily lives. Its portability, efficiency, and clean-burning nature make it an attractive energy source across various sectors. In residential settings, propane provides a reliable source of heat for homes, especially in areas not connected to natural gas lines. It fuels furnaces, boilers, and water heaters, providing comfort and convenience. Propane also powers essential appliances like stoves, ovens, and clothes dryers, making it a true all-rounder in modern homes. Beyond our homes, propane is a workhorse in the industrial sector. It is used as a fuel for forklifts, generators, and other equipment, keeping businesses running smoothly. In agriculture, propane powers irrigation pumps, crop dryers, and livestock heating systems, supporting farmers in their daily operations. Safety first. Navigating the responsible use of propane. While propane offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to handle it with care and respect. Propane is flammable, and leaks can pose a fire hazard. However, with proper precautions and awareness, propane can be used safely and responsibly. Understanding its properties and following safety guidelines is paramount. Always store propane tanks in well-ventilated areas, away from sources of heat and ignition. Regularly inspect tanks and connections for any signs of damage or leaks. If you smell gas, immediately evacuate the area and contact your propane supplier or emergency services. Education is key to propane safety. Familiarize yourself with the safety guidelines provided by your propane supplier and local authorities. Learn how to properly connect and disconnect propane appliances and how to respond in case of an emergency. Remember, responsible propane use starts with knowledge and awareness. Propane and the planet, weighing the environmental footprint. As we strive towards a more sustainable future, it's essential to assess the environmental impact of the energy sources we rely on. Propane, like all fossil fuels, releases carbon dioxide when burned, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. However, its environmental footprint is generally considered lower than that of other fossil fuels. Propane burns cleaner than gasoline and diesel, producing fewer air pollutants such as particulate matter and nitrogen oxides. These pollutants contribute to smog, acid rain, and respiratory problems. Propane's lower emissions profile makes it a relatively cleaner fuel option, particularly for applications where air quality is a concern. Moreover, propane spills have a minimal impact on the environment. Unlike gasoline and diesel, which can contaminate soil and water, propane evaporates quickly, reducing the risk of long-term environmental damage. This characteristic makes propane a safer fuel option in environmentally sensitive areas. A bright future: propane's role in a sustainable energy mix. As the world transitions towards cleaner and more sustainable energy sources, propane is well positioned to play a significant role. Its versatility, portability, and relatively low environmental impact make it an attractive option for a wide range of applications, both now and in the future. Technological advancements are further enhancing propane's appeal. Engine manufacturers are developing more efficient propane-powered vehicles, reducing emissions and operating costs. Fuel cell technology, which converts propane into electricity, is also gaining traction, offering a clean and efficient power generation solution. Furthermore, the development of renewable propane, derived from sources like biomass and captured carbon dioxide, holds immense promise. Renewable propane offers a pathway to a truly sustainable propane industry, decoupling its production from fossil fuels and significantly reducing its carbon footprint. Renewable propane, a green transition fuel. Renewable propane, also known as biopropane, is chemically identical to conventional propane, but is produced from sustainable sources. This emerging technology offers a way to produce propane without relying on fossil fuels, significantly reducing its environmental impact. One method of producing renewable propane involves using organic waste materials like cooking oil, animal fats, and agricultural residues. These materials undergo a process called hydrotreating, which converts them into renewable propane. This process not only provides a sustainable fuel source, but also helps to manage waste streams. Another promising avenue is the production of renewable propane from captured carbon dioxide. This innovative approach involves capturing carbon dioxide from industrial emissions or directly from the atmosphere. Through a series of chemical reactions, the captured carbon dioxide can be converted into renewable propane, effectively closing the carbon loop. Thanks for watching Daily Science video from Ames Lab, AI Mission for Scientific Knowledge. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.